Tired of your amazing Instagram posts, getting lost in the algorithm abyss? Today, we're unlocking the secret to explosive Instagram growth, mastering the hashtag generator. Step 1, identify your core content. Think about the main topic or theme of your post. Is it fashion, food, travel, fitness, or something else entirely? For this example, let's imagine we're posting about delicious homemade sourdough bread. Step 2, head to your chosen hashtag generator. There are many great free options available online. Simply type in a few keywords related to your post into the generator's search bar. We'll type in sourdough bread. Step 3, analyze the suggestions. The generator will present a variety of hashtags. Look for a mix of popular, niche, and community-specific tags. Popular tags like sourdough can reach a broad audience, while niche tags like artisan bread or wild yeast bread will target a more engaged community. Step 4, curate your perfect hashtag. Aim for a combination that balances reach and relevance. Don't just copy the most popular ones. A good strategy is often to use 10 circumflex euros. 20 hashtags per post include some broad terms, specific terms, and even location-based tags if applicable. Step 5, implement your hashtags strategically. You can place them directly in your caption or in the first comment of your post. Both methods are effective for increasing discoverability. Ensure your hashtags accurately reflect your content to attract the right followers. By using a hashtag generator thoughtfully, you're not just adding words to your post. You're crafting a roadmap for discovery. This will significantly boost your post's visibility, attract a wider, more engaged audience, and ultimately skyrocket your Instagram success.